Hello and welcome to Moving Violations. This is Russ LeBlanc, your NEC consultant for EC&M Magazine. Got a problem here. Where am I supposed to stand when I'm working in this panel board? Right? I understand that some basements get wet and they need these drainage systems, and that looks brand new. That's the piping on the left there. That one's not really in the workspace, but the piping on the right side there, that looks like it's possibly the main drain for the house. But in any case, we have a violation of section 110.26a. I'm going to be tripping and stepping on these plumbing pipes, and we just can't have that. That makes it a lot more dangerous, especially if I have to work on that panel board with the cover off and with it energized. So that panel board has to be relocated, or that plumbing needs to be relocated. Either way,